Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be continuing Airplane 2. Now I know you probably saw some of the secret cutscene bit, but it still doesn't give away the entire thing. Welcome to the computer room. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack to our systems. The president is waiting in the next presidential suit. It's too laggy. It's green. 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 And green. And I just want to say that the next video I do, or the next video I do, is either going to be about Minecraft, or how to get all the notes to unlock the cutscene. Okay. Now, my theory is that, okay, well, I won't tell you it until I complete the series, but my theory has something to do with the computer room. I might have multiple ones, actually. It's night time already. can't sleep. There is something about this flight that scares me. Guys, the curtain. Duh, 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 duh. Duh, 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 duh. Oh no, it's the monster! Did you forget about me so early? Fire! We need to run! Oh no, oh no. Oh no, I can't move, I can't move! I don't know how I died, but this time we're gonna have a bit more people. A bit more. Also, why is the TV showing Airplane 2? And why does it say Airplane 2? Even though I've played it for like my 5th time. Does anyone know what dot niched means? Because I have no clue. Also, the president's airplane I think is way bigger than this. Like way bigger. Because if he has guards, then this is a very short amount of guards. Don't you think? Like all these seats. You know, this is quite short. Like I would have thought he would have had 200 guards, but no, he only has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 16 guards in the plane. Or at least that's where they sit. Waiting for someone to break in and shooting them. Okay, I'm just gonna come out of this. The first note is in the service room. If you go here, you'll find not. The second one is where once you're done talking to the agent, you go to a hallway into a door, but skip that place where the table is, or don't go into there, then you'll find trust. Also, in case anyone wants to know, I'm still doing this series in this video. The third one is where you go into the workroom where the table is, and you'll find he. Also, another thing I want to point out is that I'm not really that much of a simulator person or channel, because simulator is just where you keep playing the game over and over and over, doing the same stuff over and over and over. It's the same thing all the time. But, like, take Bloons TD6 for example. Bloons TD6, you do have to do the same stuff over and over again and again. But, the thing that makes it special is that it's a tower defense game. And, like, who doesn't like tower defense games? Like, who doesn't? Everyone I know loves them. So, like, even Minecraft, for example. Minecraft, you don't know what to expect of what's going to happen. So, yeah. This channel is mainly going to be about camping games. And other games too, but that are kind of not simulators. Well, someone just died because they didn't know how to read. He was just standing there, and he picked up something That was, I think, salt, and I needed chicken, so he died. Waju. I think he's the person that was supposed to die. The fourth one is like at the president's desk. The fifth one is right in his bedroom. Wow, I didn't even try to cover up where he spawns. We're back where I left off, or died, if you look at it that way. And I think I'm gonna die here as well, because look how close the fire is. Whew. The sixth note is here. Ooh. Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick it up. Hello, who's there? Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Something terrible is happening on this plane. You don't say. I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Get closer while I do that. But be careful. The monster might still be lurking. Okay? You will not escape this time. Oh no! Don't let him catch you! That ain't fair. I'll just wait here. Not. Get away from me! Please, monster, don't follow me. Please, 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 please. The door is open. Get in. Come on, let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. Oh! And finally, the last note is in the pilot cabin. I don't need to show you this, but I'll do it anyway. Do not trust him, he is haunted. In the creepy face. I knew there was something wrong here. The good news is, I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. There was something about planes. He was also so obsessed with planes. In a scary way, he liked to read news about plane crashes. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys because he blames you for his death. Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know that he can take any shape. He could be any agent or even the president. But I'm not sure yet. Take this gun. I'm gonna click this so much. Who's taking the shot? Me. I don't want it. Come on. Is that me? Yes. I know who the monster is. Alright, good luck, guys. I was just gonna say, good guys, luck. Please try. There you are. We've been looking for you. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait! Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. Come on, hurry up. You're making a huge mistake. I'm just gonna skip to the bit where I shoot someone. Shoot the agent. I made the right choice. Ah, what is that? It's the monster. Please don't time out. Please. It has been haunted us. I can't show you the end because my thing will end. Finally gone. Anyway, that's gonna be all of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.